Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down prerequisites that let you act now. Secure a small emergency buffer so short-term needs don't force sales, and state a clear goal and time horizon because that determines risk. Once done, open the right account, taxable for flexibility, IRA for tax-advantaged retirement, and compare fees and minimums. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and link a bank transfer. This first push gets your capital and direction ready so you can execute disciplined investment steps. You now construct the portfolio's backbone. Choose diversified, low-cost index ETFs or mutual funds to cover U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds. Why? Because diversification reduces single-company risk and low fees compound better over time. Once done, set a target allocation based on your horizon and risk tolerance and automate monthly contributions to dollar cost average. This smooths volatility. Make sure to schedule rebalance rules, quarterly or at a 5% drift, and enable dividend reinvestment to keep compound. You finish by tightening tax and risk management. Place tax-inefficient holdings in retirement accounts and tax-efficient ETFs in taxable accounts to improve after-tax returns. Once done, protect gains with sensible position sizing rather than reactive stop losses. Stick to your plan during short-term noise. If something goes wrong, a bad trade or unexpected expense, pause new buying, rebalance back to target allocations, and write one sentence on the error so you fix process next cycle. This closes the loop and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.